Hello everyone, I am Ranjit from Informatica Global Customer Support. In this video, we will see how to configure the Microsoft Azure Data Factory catalog source in CDGC. The agenda of today's session is what is Microsoft Azure Data Factory Scanner? What are all the supported object types of Microsoft Azure Data Factory catalog source in CDGC? What are all the prerequisites to configure the Microsoft Azure Data Factory catalog source in CDGC? And then we will see on the steps to configure the Microsoft Azure Data Factory catalog source along with a quick demo. What is Microsoft Azure Data Factory Scanner? Azure Data Factory is Azure's cloud ETL service for scale-out serverless data integration and data transformation. You can use Metadata Command Center to extract and view metadata from a Microsoft Azure Data Factory source system. You can run connection-aware scans on Microsoft Azure Data Factory sources. Supported object types. Metadata Command Center extracts the following metadata from Microsoft Azure Data Factory catalog source. The objects are activity, calculation, pipeline, dataset, data flow, resource, folder, resource group, package, data task, and factory. Prerequisites to configure the Microsoft Azure Data Factory catalog source in CDGC. To extract metadata from your source system, the user needs account access and permissions to the Microsoft Azure Data Factory source system. Verify that the administrator performs the following tasks. Create a user account for the Informatica user to access the Microsoft Azure Data Factory source system. Assign the Informatica user's account to the Data Factory contributor role. Grant permissions for the Data Factory contributor role at the resource group level to access the source system. Now we will see on the steps to configure the Microsoft Azure Data Factory catalog source along with a quick demo. In order to create a Azure Data Factory catalog source, navigate to Metadata Command Center, click on New, and choose Azure Data Factory. Here under Data Factory connection mode, we can choose either admin user or service principal. And then we can add the credentials here like subscription ID, client ID, and tenant ID. And then the client secret key as well. Once adding the credentials, click on Next. And under metadata extraction, add the valid runtime environment. And under filters, we can add the Azure Data Factory factory details and folder details in any of the below supported format. Once added, navigate to data classification and enable data classification and choose data classifications rules to add the data classifications that were created in Metadata Command Center. Once done, navigate to glossary association and enable glossary association. Once done, we can save the catalog source and execute the catalog source. Here I have already created a catalog source with valid credentials and same configurations. Once the job is completed successfully, we could see the assets extracted in data governance and catalog. Here under pipeline, the ETL logics created in the pipeline will be extracted. And we could see the lineage as well in the lineage tab. And we will see the relationships associated with this asset in the relationships tab. We would love to hear feedback from you. Thanks for watching.